Hello and welcome back. In exercise 11, we'll be creating 90-degree pipe elbow. So let's look at the technical drawing. Here is our technical drawing. This will be the model we'll be creating. So let's see the views, top view, front view and side view. Now we can see the design process of creating this model. Okay, this is our base feature. We'll be creating a path and a profile, then sweep it. After creating base feature, we'll move on to the second feature where we'll create an extrude boss. From there, we'll create another circle and extrude it to a certain distance. After creating third feature, we'll do same for bottom face. We'll create a boss feature and boss extrude. Now from there, the last feature is also boss feature. We'll create a circle, then extrude it. So let's go to the technical drawing of our first feature. So here is the feature we are going to create and our feature will look like this. So in front view you can see this outer profile which is of diameter 22. So we'll be creating a circle then path of radius 40 to get this profile. So let's begin. Okay, now let's begin. We'll begin by sketching on the front plane. Select front plane. Take polyline and from origin draw a vertical line, then press M key 3 times to activate arc, then draw a tangent arc. Okay, then from there draw a tangent line. Okay, after drawing this profile, let's give constraint, give equal constraint and horizontal constraint. Now let's give dimension. The length of the line is 5 and radius of the arc is 14. Okay, now our sketch is fully defined. Now let's exit the sketcher and draw the profile. So this is the path for sweep feature. Select the top plane as sketching plane. Then on top plane, draw a circle of diameter 16. Then another circle of diameter 22. After drawing the circle, now exit. Let's sweep the feature. So invoke additive pipe. Okay. Then select the circle as profile. Then the path as the line. Okay. Now click OK. So our first feature is complete. Now for the second feature, we'll be creating this extrusion of 10 and its diameter is 20. You can see here, we'll be extruding it. Okay. Next, let's create the second feature. Select this face as sketching plane and draw a circle of diameter 20. Okay, now let's give constraint. Invoke project and project the inner circular edge. Okay, then let's make it coincident. Select both the center point and make it coincident. You can delete the extra constraint. Okay. Exit the sketcher, invoke pad, and in length is 10. Okay. Now for the next feature, we'll be projecting it on the right face. Then we will extrude to a distance of 4. Okay. So let's begin. Now for the next feature, select this face as sketching plane. And on this plane, again we are going to create circle. Project the outer circle and inner circle, outermost and innermost circles. After that, exit the sketcher and invoke pad and extrude to distance 4. Okay. Now for the next feature, let me take the technical drawing. Here we'll be creating another circle on the bottom face and extruding into a distance of 10. Yeah, so let's start. Now we have to create the bottom face. On the bottom face, select it as sketching plane and from origin, draw a circle of 20. Invoke projection and project the innermost circle. Invoke pad and in length give 10. Yes, now we can bring to isometric view. For the final feature, I'll show technical drawing. Okay. So here we'll draw another circle of diameter 22 on the bottom face, then extrude to a distance of 4. Now let's start drawing. Now for final feature, the bottom face as sketching plane, invoke projection and project the outermost and innermost circle. Invoke pad and length is 4. Okay. Now we can bring to isometric view. So that's it. Finally, we have completed this model. It's very simple model. Hope you will not make any mistakes. And for any doubts, you can refer to the drawing.